Hello dear traders, today is Tuesday the 25th of June. You're watching Financial News with me, Anna Kasatkina. China and Iran come under the spotlight. There is a glimmer of hope that the US-China relations will improve, while the US-Iran conflict looks more threatening. The level of tension between the US and Iran is growing. Traders are forced to seek shelter in safe haven assets. The White House has imposed sanctions against Iran's supreme leader and 8 high-ranking officials. The American authorities believe that Iran will return to the negotiating table due to their tough stance. However, representatives of the Iranian Foreign Ministry declared that these useless restrictive measures were the permanent closure of the path of diplomacy. The US dollar index fell to its lowest level in 3 months, reaching 95.92 against its rivals. Over the past 5 months, its losses amounted to 1.7%. The greenback is likely to lose momentum against other safe haven assets amid market concerns over the US-Iran conflict. The Swiss franc has significantly increased its gains. Gold is trading at multi-year highs. The dollar-yen pair also gained ground. It's trading at its lowest level in 2 months, 106.99. The Fed's possible key rate cut puts pressure on the US currency. Besides, traders are worried about the consequences of the US tariff wars with China and other countries. It seems that the US-China relations are improving. Washington is openly expressing hope for the resumption of trade talks at the summit in Japan. Beijing, on the contrary, is less friendly. The Australian dollar is trading mainly in the sideways, locating at 0.6963. Overall, the Aussie rose considerably against the US dollar. Its growth was facilitated by the ambiguous comments of the RBA Governor Philip Lowe. He questioned the effectiveness of further interest rate cuts. Investors took his words as a signal that the RBA may abandon its monetary policy easing at the next meeting. On Tuesday, traders are awaiting a speech from Fed Chair Jerome Powell. He's unlikely to say anything new, but it's better to be prepared for everything. You've watched Financial News on Insta TV. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep track of all the latest events on the financial markets. Stay tuned.